Like many people just starting out, you may be wondering what all things need to be done before starting a successful business. There's a lot to think about, but don't worry, it can be done. Just with a little effort and determination, you'll soon be off on your way to success. This video will discuss things you need to know before starting a successful business. So let's get into it. Make a plan and set a goal. If you don't prepare, you can't possibly expect to be competitive in the marketplace. Before you begin, you should make a business strategy, a business model, and a cash flow projection. Set a few big goals to keep you on schedule and to move forward. Research findings have shown that business owners are less likely to fail if they have a business plan. A strategic plan will also boost your trust and force you to think about every element of your business, such as what-if situations. Develop a strategy and understand your why. This is the guiding star that will show you the way. Before opening a company, you must make a few choices about your funds. This involves your own funds. Initially, get rid of any unneeded financial responsibilities and figure out how much you need to live on. Suppose about how you will make money. Will you complete your full-time job and start a side job, or will you be going to work part-time? Or will you bet everything? Get prepared for competition. Don't start your own business if you believe you're the only one out there. Several other companies are also trying to attract the same customers. And also the point is, a few of those competing companies might be good for you. Their brand may look better, their wallets could be more comprehensive, their expertise may be better, and they may understand more. So be ready for that too. But don't allow it to get you down. If you don't have any competitive market, it's easy to get unmotivated. Accept the competitive market and use it to become better. Most people who start their own business do so because they know a lot about their market, but as Michael Gerber highlighted in his book, The E-Myth Revisited, these business owners may be good at what they're doing, but not good at running a business. In other sayings, talent and ability alone are not enough to make sure you will be successful. You'll have to understand a great deal more about accounting, expandability, advertising, revenues, applications, regulations, and a whole multitude of other subjects to manage a company and make it successful. Learn about yourself and your clients. When launching a business, it's equally crucial to discover about yourself and learn about your clients. Your greatest competition is going to be you. Keep in mind that your sense of self-esteem is not tied to how well your company does. Don't let it take over your life. We suggest taking a comprehensive look into the life of your ideal client. Find out what their troubles are and how they see the world. Make a comprehensive list of all their difficulties and look at the whole thing. There will probably be 3 significant patterns where you must concentrate your company. Get precise about what you want to sell, who your ideal customers are. The further you understand about your clients, the more effective your message will be. So you can probably have spent less on advertising. You won't become rich right away. Do you think you can become a billionaire overnight by starting your own company? Absolutely not. Regardless of how excellent your brand is, how new your thought is, or how far-reaching your innovation is, clients won't just locate you. In the real corporate world, you have to advertise your company. Your company will expand if you do things like internet advertising, digital marketing, and expansion hacking. There's nothing else to do. People frequently think of Bentleys and Rolex watches when they hear the title business owner. The hard truth is that running a company is more like a life force journey than a fun way to make money. Great wealth could be in your coming years, but the way to get there is tight, lengthy, and challenging. If you create it, they will come. It's not true for new businesses. You have to ensure that the product you're creating is something folks would like. Get people to sign up, buy in advance, or give you money in any other way. This shows that you want something. Additional revenue is often valueless because people's views of the coming years are less concrete or often wrong. Rather than think about choices like fundraising to get your company off the ground and create sales. Having a mentor and connection with other business owners is helpful. In the startup community, it can be beneficial to have a mentor with far more expertise than you do. Advisors have already been there, accomplished that, and have much more experience in your market. They could assist you in achieving your objectives faster and make better strategic choices and opportunities for you. Many individuals are running businesses right now, and they are experiencing the same problems as you are. Make connections with other business owners if you can get to understand them. This could benefit your company a lot. Group work can make you twice as much money. Compassion, determination, and family support are all you need. Building a profitable company takes patience. You can't seriously expect to be rich overnight. Establishing a business requires time, a great deal of determination, and mental strength. Having a positive attitude is one of the best things you can do for yourself. I think you should gain knowledge to get used to being uncomfy. Talk to your hubby, fiance, companion, children, family members, and other close relatives and acquaintances about your concept before you undertake anything else with it. They're heading to accompany you on this voyage, and you have to understand that they'll back you up once life gets tough. Let this last word of caution sink in. You'll have a lot of doubt at a certain spot, and think about abandoning the ship. You can be certain that there will be a point in your business career where you will say, "I'm done with all this. It's tough. It is very, very tough. I understand." But if you keep going, you will overcome the challenges. Brace yourself. It's the most brilliant idea that you can have. It would be best if you got ready to resist the paralyzing urge to give up, but don't stop moving forward. The most crucial thing to remember is to enjoy. You can't succeed if you don't enjoy your work. Make connections, not sell. Do stuff that your clients can't even imagine making them happy, because individuals are the most crucial part of the business. So that's it for now. What do you think of the video? Let us know in the comments below, and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. And before you leave, you can make us super happy by subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching.